Hello friend, today I want to show you how to fix. You see this one, I am put it charging, also power button press is making off, and that one Samsung A12 already you see already I am put it charging point there. Flexi is right it, after then you are do it you have this problem, you are do it remove it that battery and open and check they have water something is clean it. After then you are again put it okay. After then your phone is done. You see now is charging this phone is 1%. Is like and share videos. Also please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. This phone now is done, only doing this job. You have any problem, the fix all model.